COVID-19 vaccines, even those approved in India, is a two-dose regime, meaning it only works if you take both vaccine doses. But a study in the US has shown that COVID-19 survivors in specific may only need one dose of the COVID-19 vaccine instead of the standard two-dose. If this is indeed true, then the world may save several millions of vaccine doses, which most developing countries have in short supply. So what does this study state? I am Amrutha and you are watching TV9 News, and I will give you a little bit of background into how the study was conducted and what the researchers found. The study analyzed responses from more than 1,000 healthcare workers at a Los Angeles hospital in the US who received the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine. So out of the 1,000 healthcare workers, 35 were identified as those who had recovered from COVID-19 and received the first dose of the vaccine. Furthermore, more than 220 healthcare workers were identified who had no history of COVID-19 infection and had received 2 doses of the vaccine. So comparing the results, researchers found these two elements. Firstly, antibody tests revealed the coronavirus specific antibodies level was the same between the two groups. Secondly, post-vaccine symptoms were more intense among COVID survivors after the first dose, and the symptoms were the same for both groups after the second dose. I spoke to Dr. Satish Roy, an immunologist based in Mumbai, who explained whether the idea is feasible.
There was a 6 times higher response to the first immunization seen in the COVID past infected people than in the COVID naive people. And I think that this is not a small difference, and I believe that this is very significant, and this is an important indicator of the antibody response as well as what is called the memory B cell response. The B cells are what make the antibodies in the human body in response to an infection or other substances, and this is a very good indicator that after an infection a person may have long-term immune responses, memory B cells, which can very rapidly get triggered by just one immunization dose and give enough protective antibodies to that person. So I believe that while more such studies are required, this is a very good indicator of something that could be done.
But does this theory mean that there may be increased antibody levels than required among COVID survivors on the second dose?
Generally, antibody levels are not checked before vaccination. It is assumed that if that person has never had that infection, then they don't have any antibodies to that virus or bacteria. So most immunization programs run on a specified schedule where there is a primary dosage and then there are booster doses given at recommended intervals. But as immunologists, we certainly, with the pneumonia vaccines, what is called streptococcal pneumonia, which is a bacteria, in these vaccinations, we will often check the antibody titers of a person post-vaccination to know if they need extra doses or boosters, and similar thing is done with other infections too. But after a natural infection, very rarely is antibody tested to know whether the person needs a vaccination or not. In COVID, this would be a very unique procedure that is being followed.
Well, Dr. Roy also answered whether there are other vaccines whose dose is decided on terms of the antibody level.
There is something called a hyperimmune response or an overactive immune response that can be triggered if a person is given too much of an antigen or an infectious particle. This hyperimmunization leads to something called an arthros reaction, in which a person can get fever, swelling of the joints, pain, rashes, which can develop from over-immunization. So yes, it is very possible in some cases that if someone has had the infection and still gets multiple doses of the vaccination through booster programs, they might develop an hyperimmune response that may be counterproductive. But so far, millions of people around the world who have had the infection have been given 2 doses of the COVID-19 vaccines of different kinds around the world, and they have not had any such major problems that have yet come to the fore. But this is certainly an area that requires more research.
There are certain limitations to this study which have been acknowledged by the researchers too. Firstly, antibodies were tracked only at different intervals for 21 days, so there's no data available thereafter. Secondly, the vaccines used in the US are mRNA vaccines. The results may vary on vaccine type. In India, we do not have any mRNA vaccines approved yet. Also, this is not the first time the idea has been floated. In fact, in Germany, Italy, Germany and Spain, COVID survivors are recommended just 1 dose of the vaccine. So what do you think about this policy? Leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. Also like, share and subscribe to TV9 News. Thank you for watching.